In this video, I'm going to discuss a concept that I often talk about. This concept consists of the four main leverages to become wealthy. Here, I'll outline it based on my understanding because I believe that when I first heard these four concepts, they truly changed my life, and I hope they can change yours too. This concept was originally borrowed from one of my favorite legendary investors, namely Noble. He was the former CEO of Angeles, where you can invest in many startups, and he was an early investor in the world of cryptocurrency. I borrowed this concept from him but will add some of my own insights. Archimedes had a quote. Archimedes had a quote. Give me a leverage long note and I will move the world. What does that mean? In life, we must understand that the most powerful concept is leverage. If you understand how to use leverage and these four specific leverage, I believe your life will change. The reference concept itself is, in my personal opinion, dive the dividing line between the poor and the wealthy. The poor don't understand the concept of leverage, while the rich do. People often say that to be successful, you need to work hard. I've said this in many of my videos. Work hard, be disciplined, but the question is, are there many professions where you don't have to work hard? Let me provide an example. For instance, a street sweeper works very hard, but he uses his own time to do it and use his skill. Can he become rich doing this? No, it's challenging because he is working hard but not applying refunds. Now consider a laundry business owner. The laundry owner is making money and the street sweeper is working hard. Can the street sweeper become wealthy? It's difficult because the person who owns the laundry business understands the concept of leverage, while the street sweeper does not. This is a concept that has been around for a long time. In the past, in the era of kingdoms, they used slavery to maximize human leverage. Today, the system involves employing people and paying them fair wage. In modern times, we can use a slavery system, but it's similar to having employees who trade their times for money. In this system, you exchange your skills and energy for money, which means you trade your productivity for money. It's all about trading your output for income. Let's consider another example. Say I want to start a juice stand and I need an investment of 40 million rupees to start it. But I don't have any money. I believe my juice stand will be unique and different. Let's